Hi, Dee Dee Ladybug. Thank you for stopping in and checking up on me. I really do appreciate it. As all you subbies may know, I'm still recovering from hand surgery, and I'm having some complications, and I don't get to craft the way I like to. I do love making journals, and I had hoped I would be able to, hold a needle and sew, and I gave that a try, and that really did not work out for me, sadly. But I did think about, I've been doing a lot of going and getting some vintage things at my local swap meet. I have a couple of vendors that do go to, like estate sales and stuff like that. And I have found a lot of really fantastic things. And there's also another vendor there who, he likes a lot of things that I like. And I just usually wait for him to put everything, kind of discount everything. Anywho, so I was thinking, since I can't sew and make, sew those signatures in and stuff like that, I thought I would try to put a kit together for everyone else. And this is what I came up with. And I have a total of 9 of these kits. Oh, pardon me. It's very windy where I live. There's pardon me. There's only going to be a few things that are different. Like everyone's going to get a white flower like this, and everyone's going to get it's like a silky maroon. There's one kit that has a really beautiful brown one, but it's still the silky material. And these are all, each one of these have a different middle or a different design, but they're all about the same size. Every kit has this. I also make sock snowmen every year. Did not make any this year. My crafting was way down this year for gifts. But this is what I would tie off everything with. And it's some type of yarn string. And I think it's about 24 inches long. And then a little bit of twine. And then every kit is going to get a piece of muslin, and this is a little over 10 by 13. No, Dante, no kitty. Oh, Dante. No, come on. Okay. He's a big cat, so I'm hoping he doesn't jump on my stuff. He's trying to climb up into the window. And then everyone's going to get, every kit has a little bit of this vintage ribbon here. It's a cloth ribbon. And this beautiful vintage ribbon. And what's neat about it is it's literally sewn on the back. And there you go. And some vintage, I guess like felt or something. And some of this beautiful lace. Put that to the side. Some vintage bridge scoring cards. Everyone's going to get one of these little bridge booklets. And 2 doilies. These are vintage as well. This is what they only used to sell them at like Hallmark. Well, a long time ago. 2, oops, that's upside down. No, Dante, no kitty. 2 vintage playing cards. Scoot. Come on, back. Scoot. This is one of the things that will be different. Everyone will get 4 stamps, but they will be different. but each kit will have 4 stamps in it. And a little lace doily. And these I bought, and they are, I guess you put your film in it, or maybe after they developed it, your film is it. I'm not really sure, but they are real, as you can hear, they're really thick. And there's one of those in each kit. And there's 2 of these type of used books. I don't, fill out the enclosed card and return it at once, and you'll receive a great deal of free advertising. There's 2 of those in each kit. And these are either tea stain or coffee stain by me. Just shipping tags. And these I had bought a long time ago. Okay. Go on. Keep going. Jump, jump. Go. Come on. I know. Good kitty. And a long time ago I bought these little card sets at Michael's. And I tea stained all of them. And this is craft paper. And this is still pretty thick. This was white. So I tea stained all of that. And tea stained coin envelopes. Each kit will get a couple of pieces of ephemera that I sewed, and they will all have something different on it. And then a little tiny envelope. Everyone will get one of these, but they'll all say something a little different. Backed onto tea stained paper. And some vintage stationery. And then this, I had bought a pad of paper at Tuesday morning. And there's 4 pieces in there. Come on, Dante. No, kitty. No. There's 4 pieces. 4 or 6. Let me see. 4. It's pretty thick stationery, though. Let me see if I can. It's pretty thick. No, kitty. No. No, kitty. You're so funny. He's playing with the string. And then I had bought a book, stationery thing, that, you know, at a good pardon me. Oh, pardon me. So this is like, I'm so sorry, pardon me. This is like, you know, homemade paper. It's really thick. Sorry about that. And this is a little notepad, and I think I did 4 on that as well. Pardon me. This also came out of a book. One sheet of this really itty bitty tiny graph paper. 2 large glassine bags that have been coffee. I don't know if these are coffee or tea stained. And depending on how you want to use it, you know, if you're just going to glue the whole page down, you don't have to worry about it. But if you're going to, you know, fold it into the book like this, you will have to put just a little tiny glue in there. So 2 of those. And this is larger graph paper, but it's really thick. And there's 2 sheets of that. And this is vintage tracing paper. It is yellowed. And Jean had found an old graph book in the garage, so 1 sheet of that. And this is from a book called Color Theory, and each one of the kits will have a different page. But the pictures are just so beautiful on that. So each kit, well, the page of that will be different. This is a sheet of music It's not the full song, but it is a page out of a book. So this will be different in each kit as well. Everybody will get one page, and this was from 1903. Pardon me. There'll be 2 pages of tea-stained legal size paper, a 10 by 13 envelope, and in each kit, everyone will get a piece of this cardstock, and it's like cardboard. And each kit will have a different pattern on it. And then these are copies of ephemera that I went ahead and printed out that I've used in some of my junk journals. So you'll have to cut those out. And yeah, and that's everything. There'll be 9 of these kits available on my Etsy shop. I just thought I would share some of these goodies with y'all, and I know that we all like getting some extra paper now and then, and I thought this would be an excellent way to share my stash with you, and hopefully you'll enjoy making something special out of it. Yeah. So hopefully you like everything that's in the kit, and just go ahead and head on over to my Etsy shop and take a look and see if that's something you'd be interested in. All right. Thank you all so much for stopping in again and checking in on me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.